Hey guys, I'm Darren from AutoDetailer Studio and welcome to our All Access vlog. Today we have the Lexus RX300 F Sport, which has been custom fitted with a brand new flagship paint protection film from Prestige Film Technologies, ClearGuard Alpha. ClearGuard Alpha has been re-engineered from the ground up as the next generation of PPF technology. As with its predecessor, ClearGuard Alpha is 400% thicker than the original paintbook of your car at 210 microns, protecting your car from stone chips, scratches and swirls. ClearGuard Alpha is the world's first carbon-based self-healing paint protection film. It features advanced product engineering that uses oxygen to heal instantly without requiring heat, unlike traditional self-healing products. ClearGuard Alpha effectively doubles the gloss of your original factory paintwork whilst remaining invisible to the naked eye. You'll notice the handles of the cars do not have cutout lines, as well as the badges and model numbers. All panels are virtually seamless and do not have exposed edges that would otherwise trap dirt and grease. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this All Access vlog, please give it a like and comment with a thumbs up emoji. Stay tuned for more and thanks for watching.